Hi everyone, my name's Clint.
And my name is Seth.
And Seth and I are the sales team here at Liberty Systems. And today, Seth and I are going to be talking to you about Zebra's latest full-touch mobile computer, the TC53.
Yes, and a quick thing to note on the TC53, there is also a TC53e model, which is generally what we move our customers to, unless you have a need for higher processing power and some more robust camera features like mobile dimensioning. The 53e is going to be a great device in most use cases. So just real quickly, kind of the differences on the E. The E model is going to have a built-in RFID reader in it, as well as it's going to be able to go up to Android 17, so it's also a little bit more future-proof. And then the cost on the 53e is actually a little bit less than the standard 53 model.
Yeah, and so really what we're talking about as far as features go, going to be applicable to both the 53 and the 53e model. So just kind of keep that in mind as we're kind of going throughout the conversation here. So again, features talking about these devices. The first one we'd like to bring up right away is the big 6-inch display. What's really great about that is it's one of the largest in the industry. So Zebra really listened to their users, and a lot of people really like that bigger, larger viewing space. So you get that with the TC53 model. Another great thing about it too is that it does have the capability to not only scan barcodes up close, but also up to 35, 40 feet away. So being a very versatile unit for any kind of use case where you're scanning barcodes. Another thing we really like about it too is obviously that it's very rugged. So not only is it resistant to dust, it's resistant to water. You can drop it on the concrete floor, it can fall off a forklift, and it's going to survive all those use cases. So a very, very overall rugged unit that again is going to fit in a lot of scenarios where ruggedness is kind of needed. And then just last thing to kind of touch on too is that it is Wi-Fi 6E and 5G capable. So it also has, like Seth mentioned, RFID capability, but also now you have the ability to take it outside with that cellular capability as well.
Yes, so I'm just going to kind of move into the three main use cases where we see this device being the most successful. And the first one is in that warehouse and manufacturing space. So like Clint said, it's super rugged. It's going to be able to handle the bumps, be dropped off of a forklift. You're going to be able to scan to the tops of racks with that long-range scan engine. So we've seen this device be successfully deployed in that environment many, many times. And then the second use case is in the field service. So you're able to connect this to cellular. It has that 5G cellular capability. So if you want to run your Google Maps, use it as basically a phone, do scanning. It's going to be able to handle all that different kind of weather out there, rain, snow, cold, hot, everything like that. So it's really just going to serve you really well outside the four walls, kind of in that field service use case as well. And then the last one is in the retail environment. So you're able to, run push to talk on this to eliminate that walkie-talkie. You can do messaging from front of store to back of store, obviously scanning as well. And it does have that built-in RFID capability as well, which is gaining a lot of popularity in the retail space. So really, it's just going to equip your associate and worker extremely well by using this TC53e.
Yes, and just to kind of show just a little demonstration of something Seth touched on earlier in the conversation, the difference between RFID use on the TC53 versus the TC53e model. So as Seth mentioned, the TC53e is going to have an integrated RFID reader on the back of the device, which is going to be really great because it's just going to be a kind of a one solution for all your inventory data capturing needs. Whereas the TC53 also has RFID capability, but it has to be utilized with an RFID sled. So this device right here, this is the RFD40. But again, both offer the same kind of RFID capability. Just the TC53e has it all integrated, makes it a little bit more user-friendly.
Yeah. So that wraps up our conversation today about the Zebra TC53. If you have any questions or you'd be interested in doing a demo of the device, feel free to reach out to Liberty Systems anytime.